This is our next exercise. Write a program when a machine M goes on, either when A goes on up to 11 or B goes on up to 16. Stop button is to reset the entire process. So a machine M should be on. When A output is coming up to 11 and B goes up to 16. So two counters are required for counting 11 and 16. So either of these things are happening, M should be on, and one stop button is there for resetting the entire process. So two counters are required. One is to count 11 numbers, another one is to count 16 numbers. So either of these things are happening. Either 11 is counted or either 16 is counted. Your machine should be in on condition, and one stop button will be there for resetting the entire action. Here we will see the ladder logic. So first we'll set the counter. I1 input for counting A. A needs to be counted up to 11. So I'm giving here 11. And one more counter is required. There B needs to be counted up to 16. Separate sensor I2 is being taken for sensing. Our condition was either these two things are satisfied or condition is there. Output should be output, M should be in on condition. So whenever OR is coming, we should connect in parallel. So we will be taking the feedback of counter 1 and counter 2 and it will be connected in parallel. Counter 2 feedback is taken. Machine M is there. So both are connected in parallel. One more condition was there. One stop button is there for resetting the entire action. So one stop button we will give for resetting. So I3 is for resetting the counters. Once we reset the counters, automatically the output will be 0. Just will simulate and see. I1 and I2 I'll change to push button. Start simulating. So first one it is 6, output is not coming. Second one 7, it is not coming. First one is 11, either A or B. So once this A reaches 11, output is coming. Just will reset and see. Reset, output has gone. B should reach 16. So either B is reaching 16 also, we should get output. This is the ladder logic. Resetting, it will go to 0.